Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put images onto your HTML page. So the first step is to choose the image that you want. So I'm going to go to my browser and then I'm going to search up, I don't know, a graphics card. Go to images and then so choose whichever one you want. So I'm going to choose a 2080 Ti. So then right click on the image and then click copy image address. Okay, so now go back to your whatever software you're using, and then in the body use the image tag. So write image and then use the attribute source src equals I keep forgetting what these things are called, quotations, and then paste that image, paste the image address, and then there's a couple of other things you can do. You can make an alt, so basically if that image isn't available, this is what text will be displayed. So I'm just going to call it GPU. You can also do width, and then you can also do height, and there's a couple more things you could do, but yeah. So then close that, save, and then now when I go back to my site, it's like this, but since I made the width and the height both 200, it looks kind of weird. There. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Bye.